Hi guys, it's Samantha back with another YouTube video. I know it's 11:37 a.m. I just thought I would post a video about my slime. So that I'm going to show you my first ever slime, and it is the bomb. And I'm also going to tell you what the best containers to put your slimes in. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Let's go. Okay. So, oops. So the first slime. Oh, sorry about my throat. It's a little bit static. So the this. Okay. So this slime is a pink fluffy slime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the original colored slimes, and then I'm going to buy the rare slimes that I do not have yet. So yeah, let's get started. So this is just gorgeous, and listen to its sounds. It clicks. And when you take it out, it like stretches. It's just like it's a little tiny bit sticky. But I'm just going to go on and add some. Do you see this? I stuck to my hands and I'm on a bed. So this is gonna be a little bit hard to take off, but when you're a slime expert like me, then you will know how to take off slime. It's actually not a pain in the butt like every other super sticky. Because I think Karina Garcia. Oh my god. I almost got slime on my bed. So I'm just going to talk about what. Okay, it's really sticky. So I'm just going to knead it while I talk. So I feel like these are food containers where I store my food in. And these ones work better because they are not easy to break. They do not break that easily because it's plastic. It's hard to break. And the containers, they also are made out of plastic, like every other container, so they do not break at all, which is really good. And look, it sticks to the bottom, which is good. Oh wait, there's slime. Oh my god, my worst nightmare. Can you see it? There's hair. Okay, here's what I like to do. Just take the slime off of the hair. There's the hair. If you cannot, okay. Since you did not see, you guys are technically half blonde if you cannot see. In the comments, tell me what slime you want me to review next. You don't really have to leave a like all the other YouTubers say. Like, leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Like, no, just don't. You could just watch this video, if you want. It's a very. And look, when you take it out, and once you play with it for a little bit, it becomes like less sticky. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you my Christmas slime because even though it's okay, you guys are going to be like, why would you make this video if it's like this time of the month? Okay, hold on, let me just take. I'm going to be showing all my Christmas slimes, even though the year is 2018 and it is summer. Do you read my lips? SUMMER equals summer day. Summer. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be showing you it tomorrow. And I'm gonna go back to bed. So goodbye, everybody. Good night. Have a great rest of your day and peace. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. Peace and love.